How to change fonts and formats in Evernote. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go and show you steps on how you can change font and formats of text in Evernote. Well, first things first, you can open up the note. You can open up a new note or edit an existing one, right? Now, if you are gonna create type in, then what you can do is you can tap on these icons here at the top. You can see the option to underline, create a bold text. You can see the text size here. You can choose it from here and you can proceed to type it. For example, here you can see how you want text, whether you want large header, and then you can select here and proceed to type in. Similarly, you can also set it to a normal text and choose the particular formatting that you would want. Here you can see Monospace, Sans Serif, and various other formats, right? So this is how you can change. Now, if you want to edit the existing one, you can select it like you select a text and then proceed to edit it as well. Now that is the topic. Put this down below here. I can change it here into medium header, and I can again select it and change the color or highlight it as well. So here I can highlight it. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.